This is Angela with SkipperBud's in Lake Fenton, and today I'm going to share with you a 2019 Scarab 165 Impulse. It's the high output with the 250 horsepower Rotax. This boat will go 53 miles an hour and it's only 16 feet long, so it's really fast. It has a premium sound package, so it means you have a Bluetooth stereo, 4 speakers, an amp, and a subwoofer. You have the digital speed control package. You have docking mode, cruising mode, ski mode. You have modes for everything that you need, and that thing is a lifesaver for people that are new to jet boating, because docking mode alone cuts your throttle in half. So if you accidentally hit it, wide open throttle, you're not going to go flying up the dock and take out your neighbor's boat or anything like that. So excellent features. So let me show you some of the other options that are on this beautiful boat. Has a gator hide trailer with the Scarab logo. You have the mat all over the boat. The gray soft mat is in the interior, the exterior, and you have that awesome Scarab logo right there. Very cool, guys. And then you can kind of look around. You got speakers right here. You have the subwoofer there. There's a storage there. You can put some of your stuff to tie down, but this boat's fast, so you want to lock everything down. And it has enough room for 5 passengers, guys. So this is like a giant jet ski. It is fantastic. You have your wakeboard tower if you want to pull tubers, wakeboarders, skiers, anything that you want. Couple speakers facing out back here. And it has the Rotax power. Rotax 250 horsepower engine. Again, will take this boat 53 miles an hour at 8,000 RPM. So it is literally going to be screaming across the lake. How exciting. I can't even tell you guys how cool this boat is. Literally, when you're out on the lake, it's flying across there. It's so much fun. I can't even. You have to get in this boat and drive it at the very least. But if you look around here, you've got in-floor storage. You might not be able to see it in the camera, but you can put all your tubes, noodles. You know, you're going to have boards, skis, all kinds of stuff will fit down in the middle. And you've got storage underneath all your seats. You got an anchor in here. And then your mooring line there. The 3 seats right here are a perfect fit for you and 2 of your friends to go whipping across the lake. Then you want to take a peek at the engine in here. I'm not a boat mechanic, so I don't know exactly what we're looking at here, but it's a big jet engine. You can tell the boat's very clean. It's really low hours on it. You have the blue lighting package with this boat. So you have blue lights there and throughout the interior. Speakers are lit. The seats are lit there. With this Scarab jet boat, you can do so many things with it. It's a great second boat. So if you like to go to the sandbar, take your little Scarab out there with you. And then anytime anyone needs to use the bathroom, they can just zip right back to the house. That's one good way to use it. Another way is a second boat just for the kids to have something to zip around the lake. I've had high school students get this as a graduation present. This is a great boat and it has so many things that you can do with it. You can use it as just your only boat. 5-person capacity. So if it's a young family and you want to get your kids into water sports, but you don't want to spend $200,000 on a big wakeboard boat, this is a great way to start for you and your family. I love this boat. It's my favorite Scarab. I've had the most fun in it, and I know you will too. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you guys like this boat.